Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start our remaining part of lesson number 11, work and energy. So in last session we have seen energy and types of energy. That is, we have seen potential energy and kinetic energy. So today in this session we are going to discuss the remaining part. Okay, so here our remaining part is types of energy. Okay, so that is heat energy, light energy, chemical energy, sound energy and electrical energy. So these are the different energy we are going to discuss. Plus we are also going to discuss the energy resources. Energy resources are the resources from which we obtain energy, and accordingly their types, that is conventional source of resources and non-conventional energy resources. Okay, so conventional source of resources means the energy, those resources which get exhausted after use, they are conventional source of resources, whereas non-conventional energy resources are the resources which we can use again. Define energy. Identify different forms with example. Oh, Spiky looks tired. Please give something to eat. He looks fresh and active. Now, do you know why Spiky was looking dull before eating the chocolates? Yes, this is because he had low energy. We need energy to work. Energy comes from food we eat. Energy. Energy is the ability of a body to do work. There are various forms of energy. Let's identify the different forms of energy around us. Heat energy, light energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, electrical energy, sound energy, wind energy, kinetic energy, potential energy and mechanical energy. Let us identify the different forms of energy around us. A family was going to picnic. It was a sunny day. Sun provides us two forms of energy, heat energy and light energy. Energy from the sun is called solar energy. Plant uses solar energy for photosynthesis. A family is going to picnic in a car. How does a car move? It moves because of the chemical energy stored in a fuel. A car moves because of the chemical energy found in fuel. In a park, everyone is set up for the picnic. While children are playing, energy also helps things to move. Energy when a body is moving is known as kinetic energy. Then, people sitting on a table, they are listening to some cool music or radio. It runs on electric energy from the battery. What kind of energy? Radio produces sound energy. Radio works with electrical energy. Sound energy is produced when an object vibrates and disturbs the air particles near it. Yes, students, sound is only produced on vibration. Kids are playing on swing. How does the swing move? It moves due to mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy possessed by a body due to both motion and position. Uncle is making a fire in order to make food. What kind of energy is uncle using to cook food? He is using fire, which gives us heat energy. Heat energy is used for cooking. Heat energy is produced when particles of substance start to collide with each other. Oh, look, kid is flying a kite. How does a kite held up in the sky? Kite flies due to wind energy. Moving air is called wind. What kind of energy does a body have based on its position? Grandma sitting on a wheelchair. Uncle is making food. Tree in a park. Yes, things do not have energy because they do not move. Do you remember what energy do they have? Potential energy. Potential energy is stored in a body that is at a rest. Heat energy. First is heat energy. Earth receives heat in proper quantity from the sun. That is how an atmospheric temperature favorable to the living thing is maintained. Heat is a form of energy. Sunlight contains heat energy. Heat is produced by burning fuel. Heat energy is used in the kitchen all the time. Heat is measured in unit called calories. Yes. Yes, you have seen the example of heat over here. Next, light energy. Light energy. Light, plant make their own food with the help of sunlight. It means that light energy is transformed into energy in the food. Plant and animal uses this food for doing their work, and it means that light is form of energy. Next, sound energy. Sound energy. Students, the glass pane of a window get cracked. Yes, अचानक क्रैक हो जाता है ग्लास. क्यों? Yes, due to the loud sound. Sound is used to control the movement of toy cars. Okay, so this means that some work is done by sound, and it tells us that sound is a form of energy. Yes, next is the chemical energy. Chemical energy. When wood burns, we get heat and light. Yes, जब हम लकड़ी जलाते हैं तो क्या मिलता है? हीट मिलता है और लाइट भी मिलता है. प्लस व्हाट इज emitted out? Carbon dioxide gas is also emitted out, and it is get mixing with the air. Okay, so the energy stored in wood is emitted in various form through chemical action. It is due to chemical action in the lead acid battery that electrical energy is produced. Energy obtained through chemical reaction is said to be the chemical energy. Yes students, picture on page number 80 gives you a clear idea that how electricity passes from powerhouse to our house. Okay, all the electrical gadgets like television, mixer, electric heater, lamp, etc., they work on electricity. Yes, so as soon as we plug the apparatus, it would start working on receiving electrical energy. Okay, is that clear to you all? Next, transformation of energy. What is the meaning of transformation of energy? Transformation of energy takes place when work is done. Yes, here in the course of water cycle, water evaporates due to the heat of the sun. This water vapor forms a cloud and it gives rain. Rain water flows into the river and it is stored in the reservoir of dam. Okay, these are at a height, and therefore the water has potential energy. The water has potential energy which is transformed into kinetic energy as the water falls down. When the water falls on the blades of the turbine, kinetic energy is transformed into electrical energy. Okay, transformation of energy. Yes students, so here it has been given how rain is forming, then how water is stored in a dam, and then how the stored water in a dam contain potential energy, and when this water is allowed to flow on a turbine, that is flowing water contain kinetic energy, and the turbine started rotating. Okay, so when the turbine start rotating, it produces electrical energy. So you can see here how potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is converted into इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. देखा आपने कैसे? ओके, एंड देन कैन सी हियर टर्बाइन रोटेट produce electrical energy. This electricity get transformed into various forms of energy. Light energy, heat energy, sound energy, ऐसे different forms में ये ट्रांसफॉर्म होती है, मतलब चेंज होते हैं. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज यूज इन आवर हाउस ऑफ वेरियस पर्पस फॉर वेरियस. Electrical energy is used in our house for various purposes. It is transformed into light energy on a lighting bulb. Okay, in kinetic energy on rotating fan. Sound energy while you play music system. Okay, heat energy when something is there in the oven. You can see how electrical energy is converted into different energies. Okay, thus we see that we are indirectly utilizing nothing but solar energy in all this transformation of energy. So in other words, sun is an important source of energy. So indirectly it has been told that solar energy is the main source. Now students, let's see energy resources. Energy resources. So resources used for getting energy is classified into two types, that is conventional energy resources, that is not renewable resources, that is we are not going to get it back, like burning of wood. If you burn wood, it will turn into ash. You are not going to get wood again. Is that clear? So that is conventional source of energy. That is, it is not going to renew. Next is, here example is also given, that is conventional energy resources include coal, fossil fuels such as petrol, diesel and natural gases. We cannot replenish these resources. Wood also cannot be replenished easily. Yes, wood also cannot be replenished. Wood also cannot be replenished easily. Next, non-conventional source of energy, that is renewable source of energy. It could be renewed, like solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy. So these are the different forms of energy which you can get again and again. Now, non-conventional energy resources have not been used traditionally. They are inexhaustible and continuously can be used in various forms again and again. Solar energy. Energy obtained from sun is continuous and enormous. Yes, solar energy is at a roof of all the energy available on the earth. A variety of devices have been developed for making use of solar energy. Okay, so for example, solar cooker, solar water heater, solar dryer, solar cell, etc. are working on solar energy. Next, in the first three mentioned above, that is heat energy obtained from sun is utilized to cook food, then heat water and for drying grains. In the solar cell, electrical energy can be obtained from solar energy. Solar electric plant, that is solar electric plant, have a capacity to produce electricity on large scale. A solar plant consists of many cells. Solar plant consists of many cells. Next is wind energy. Electricity is generated by means of windmill. Okay, using strong wind. The windmill is used for drawing water from the well. Then tidal energy. The wall is constructed at a narrow region of a creek. Yes, due to the wave generated by the high and low tide, the turbine of the generator fitted in the wall start rotating and electricity is generated. So you can see how electricity is generated by the tidal energy. Okay. Now Hydroelectric or tidal power station. Water stored in a dam at a height is brought down through a turbine. Same thing we have studied. Okay, same thing is written. Water stored at a height, it is passed through a tunnel and the turbine of a generator is rotated. The place where electricity is generated on this way is called hydroelectric or tidal power plant. Okay, Koina project in Maharashtra is well known for tidal project. There are also other small hydroelectric plant located at the other dam sites. Then energy obtained from oceanic waves. While sea waves move forward in a certain direction, while sea waves move forward in a certain direction, the water moves up and down regularly at a position. Okay, तो पानी जो है waves वो है वो इस तरह से up and down position में होते रहते. Okay, so these two can be used for generating electricity. Next is atomic energy. So here the serious crisis of electricity shortage can be is by generating electricity by means of atomic energy. The energy liberated due to the fusion of atom of heavy elements such as uranium, thorium is used to generate electricity. Okay, there is energy in every substance in universe. It is present in non-living thing as well as living thing. Energy saving green energy. In a way, saving energy is as good as generating energy. There are several ways of saving energy, such as putting off light when not needed, making maximum use of sunlight, etc. Saving energy and energy resources is very necessary. Otherwise, we will have to face a serious calamity like global warming. The energy resources which do not produce smoke and carbon gases such as carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide are called green energy resources. Greater use of such resources is needed of the hour. What do we learn from this lesson? What is done? Work is done. When an object undergoes displacement on application of force. So students, work is done when an object undergoes displacement on application of force. We say work is done. Energy is the capacity to do work. Various forms of energy are mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy and electrical energy. Something that can be used to obtain energy is called an energy resources. Energy resources are of two kinds, conventional that is non-renewable and non-conventional that is renewable source of resources. Okay, that is renewable energy resources. So students, with this I am finishing the topic. We have to start with our activity session. Bye. Have a nice day.